This tutorial will help you create and edit layers. It is important to note that this tutorial is only applicable to those with a paid collaborator account. If you have an unpaid observer account, please head to that tutorial for further information. In order to create layers, go to the menu and click Layers. From here you can title your layer, pick a color, and click the Add Layer button. Cuelist functions best if collaborators have access to a layer specific to their field. Examples of layers might be sound, lights, automation, projection, cue lights, etc. Once the layers are created, new options appear. If you click the expand arrow next to your layer, you will see the options to hide layer, hide text, change color, edit cue properties, and delete the layer. If you want to rename the layer, just click on the current name and make the change. The option to change color functions similarly. Just open up the color menu and pick your color. The layer will change immediately. Hide layer will hide all information in that layer. Hide text will keep the cues visible, but will hide all text notes. You will notice that when you click on Hide Layer, an icon will appear in the colored box associated with that layer. If you want to show the layer or hide it, all you have to do is click on the colored box itself. The next option is Edit Cue Properties. From here you can both choose your default cue marker and the attributes listed within each cue. The cue marker is simply how the cue is notated on the page. The small point option will drop a dot on the script, while the resizable box option will allow you to box in a specific word or phrase. This marker can also be changed on a cue-by-cue basis inside the individual cue menu. For more on this, see the tutorial on cues. Attributes give you the ability to select exactly what information you want to place in each cue. You could add space for description, notes, time, etc. Many of these options are relevant to the information utilized by lighting and sound consoles and may not be important for you. If that's the case, just leave them unchecked and you won't see a space for that item inside your cues. Selecting Delete this layer will delete the layer and all associated cues, so use this option wisely. You will get a warning confirmation pop-up when you have cues in the layer. However, if the layer is empty, it will immediately delete. The final option in the layer menu is under the heading Active Layer. After you have created some layers, you will need to select an active layer. This is nothing more than your default layer for the cues and text you create. Your active layer can be changed at any time, and it can be any visible layer for which you have edit permissions. When you create a cue, you will have the option to change the layer directly on the cue, so picking the proper active layer is nothing more than a time-saving convenience. You will have automatic full edit permissions on the layers you personally create, as well as any layers the project owner assigns to you. Project owners have automatic edit access for every layer. For more on assigning layer permissions, click on the Collaborator tutorial, or click on any of our other tutorials for additional information about Cuelist. Thanks for watching.